Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and when we started Kitchen and Bath Crate, we wanted to focus on value, bang for the buck. So what I have for you today is our top 5 best value kitchen crate projects since we started. So here we go. So coming at number 5 is Kitchen Crate Keystone Way in Modesto. 2 things that really stuck out about this project. Number 1, the beautiful refinished stained cabinets. We do a lot of painted cabinets, but this cabinet staining turned out gorgeous. And better than that even, the way that these warm countertops play in with those stained cabinets. And last but not least, this project came in at $17,100 from start to finish. What a deal. Coming in at number 4, Kitchen Crate Caneinberg Lane in Modesto. Now we've since come back and done a second project for this customer. What an honor to do that. And I just love the crisp white cabinets for this project and the way they contrast with this granite countertop on this job. I think you'll agree. And one of the best parts about it, the total price point, roughly $16,300 for this complete kitchen crate. Coming in at number 3, Kitchen Crate Burns Creek Drive in Waterford. Now this is a simple L-shaped kitchen, raised bar top. The cabinets were refinished, beautiful new backsplash, new countertops, all new fixtures, and the price point, roughly $16,100 start to finish. Coming in at number 2, Kitchen Crate Double Eagle Court in Riverbank. I vividly remember this project, and seeing the pictures reminds me of these beautiful soft brown cabinets, beautiful giallo ornamental granite tops, and I love the linear backsplash tile. All this came together for roughly $16,100 and was a fantastic deal for this customer. And coming in at number 1, one of our biggest kitchen crate values since we started the company, Kitchen Crate Nancy Drive in Ripon. You'll notice that we said goodbye to the old tile countertops and brown grout, and instead beautiful creamy cabinets, new hardware, once again giallo ornamental granite, all new plumbing fixtures, and all of this for just over $15,600 for this particular customer. And there you go, folks, some of our biggest kitchen crate values since we started the company back in 2012. If you have a smaller, simpler project for us, we can be a great fit. We'd love to help you with that. Give us a call, 888-995-7996, or log on to kbCrate.com to see literally hundreds of past projects or to schedule your phone consultation. Thank you so much for watching.